Alright, this is the collage video. My last video got way too long, so we're going to start this with some things already being written down, and then I will demonstrate them for you because I think that will go faster. So first off, in your sketchbook right now, go ahead and select a page and write collage on it. Then about 3/4 of the way down, label it out as things that you can do versus things that it cannot do. And then some things to write down is that it can be 2D or 3D, where it pops off the page. Rubber cement can be erased. Specialty scissors cannot cut small things, is the can't. You'll want to pause this because you probably haven't caught up with me, but I'm going to keep on going. So the first thing that I'm going to show is how to place things down with the rubber cement, and then how rubber cement allows you to pull things back up again. So notice my workspace. I have a hot glue, basically sticky stuff side, and then I have the cutting stuff side. It's important that I use the blue mat to cut because these X-Acto blades won't grip inside the hot glue mat. So you want to use these to make sure that you do get that nice, clean, clear grip so that it will cut pretty for you. But then these mats stop working if we get any rubber cement on them. So it's really important to make sure that you're using this as your, like, the thing that eventually I just throw these away once they've had the end of their life. Look at that. There's a little chunk on there that's driving me nuts. Okay. So I'm going to take my piece that I want to glue down. I'm going to use rubber cement, but I also have available in all of the orange tubs glue sticks. I'm going to make sure that the rubber cement goes all the way off the edges. I'm going to put that container back, and then on here, I'm going to glue stick it down. Then I'm going to use a bone folder. These are called bone folders because the really nice ones are made out of bone. These happen to be plastic. And then this will allow me to really push what I have made into the material. If I wanted to, a lot of artists will use this bone folder. You know, I could stick it down and then I could fold it up and crease it. And then this is how you can get really nice, clean creases. So it's a fun way to get something to look really three-dimensional, but it's not that it's really, here, I'll make one that's not just pushed down with my fingers. So do you see how this guy really pops off the page and this one's just kind of like, eh. So those clean, crisp folds are nice. Then also play around with gluing things from two different sides. So I could put the glue, if I wanted this to be up, I could put the glue on this side, seal it down, crisp it down, and then I could spin it and fold it up, right? And if I wanted a clean line here, that's where I could get in that bone folder and do a little bit of the crisping of the line. If I wanted to really pop, I could crisp the line from underneath. And you can kind of see all those neat little effects that you can get. And then this obviously would get glue stick down like that, or rubber cemented down. Okay. The nice thing about rubber cement is if you glue something down that you wish you hadn't, you can get your X-Acto blade up under there, and as long as you're careful as you peel, ooh, and it's not, I should have said this, it's not magazine. I knew that would happen. Why did I do that? So if it's not magazine, it should peel back up for you. Have you ever had these little cruddy things from the rubber cement? Well, if you remember, we wrote down rubber cement erases. So these little guys here, you can try these out, and they will let you erase dry rubber cement. And so now it's not even sticky there anymore. It kind of just all balls up into little boogers on this thing, and every once in a while it's kind of gross. You just take those guys off. Okay. With that, your job is to add to this list with collage. Keep in mind that there are a lot of materials, including these little funky scissors, that you will want to try out to see what effects and styles you could get that are more interesting because of them. Once you've filled all that out, bring it up to me so that you can get your signature and completion.